Okay, welcome back to the channel. I still remain your humble presenter, Console Onyekwere. And right here, I am going to show you how you can accelerate and also make your points grow on firecoin. Now, I just have one question to ask. Why are you not mining firecoin? Yes, that's my question. Why are you not mining firecoin up till now? Is it that you have not heard about it, or you are just coming across it right now? If you are just coming across it, then you just have to start mining it right now. And then if you might have heard about it and you think it's not legit, my brother, my sister, I'm just laughing at you, because this project is a very, very promising project. It's a very promising project. Why do I say so? This project was first mentioned by Notcoin, and all of us, we know how successful Notcoin was. All of us, we are aware how successful Notcoin was, how it paid people very well. So it's not actually, I'm not actually saying that it is a guarantee that because Notcoin made mention of Firecoin, it means that Firecoin is not legit. No, it's not what I'm saying. But for the reputation of Notcoin, and then for them to mention Firecoin, I'm sure they might have made some good research, about this coin, and before they decided to say, okay, yes, we are endorsing this coin. Okay, so that is why I say this project is a very, very promising one. I'm bullish about this. So if you have not started mining it, you just have to start right now. Check the description section of this video. You are going to see the link. Then you start mining. Okay, you start tapping, you start accumulating more points. Now to the purpose of making this video, which is how you can increase your points right here. You can increase your points right here. You can see that I'm having up to 3 million points right here. And then I have seen why many people have been saying that these Firecoin bots, because they have a bot under the boost, why they say it is very, very active, unlike most of other airdrop projects. If you happen to increase, or if you happen to upgrade their bots, their robots, it doesn't work out well. But the matter is totally different when it comes to Firecoin's own. Firecoin's own now, if you upgrade your bots, it mines for you even when you are not there. Even when you are asleep, you are sleeping, it is going to be mining and mining for you. You just come on board, you open your app, you might see that you have gotten up to 20,000 more points. So I always tell you people this: stop stacking points. Stop stacking points. I don't know if they are going to pay based on how good you upgraded or your points, but anyhow, even on a norms, in an ideal situation, I won't advise you to keep stacking points. Yes, you are going to stack when it is time, but for the meantime, you know that you have not developed yourself, then you just have to head over to this boost and keep investing. It's just like when somebody, Mr. A and Mr. B, are having 500, maybe let's say $500, and then their fixed earning or salary is 50, and you, Mr. A, decided to invest all your earnings, your $500, and then Mr. B decided to just be keeping and accumulating that $50 every month. The first month that will be coming, when it comes, let's say after investment, you are going to be having $100 on top. So the first month now that comes like this, you are going to be having $150, while Mr. B will be having $550. Am I right? Okay. Then the upper months that will be coming, Mr. B will be having $600, while you'll be having $300. Then if you later check it, you are going to see that at the later run, you are going to bypass Mr. B. Why? Because you invested. But at first, if you carry your capital and invest, you are not going to get the capital and then the profits immediately. It will take some time. So make sure you are not going to be overstacking points, but keep investing. Keep investing. So it's just the same thing with this. And I have seen and I have heard, and personally I've experienced it, that not that firecoin bots used to work very, very effectively. So this is a very golden opportunity which you can use to gather points for yourself, to gather and to accumulate. Keep accumulating more points for yourself, so that even when you are not here, this boat is going to be mining for you. That's why now I am in 3 million, and then I'll be using 1 million to upgrade all these things that you see here from the beginning, which is this fire boat which I'm talking about, so that even when I'm asleep, when I'm at work, when I go out, so that it's going to be automatically mining for me. I'll open it, I'll see 300,000 points just like that. Just like that. Very, very simple. If you know you want simple life, just, I will say, keep upgrading these things, because you are going to enjoy it. You are really, really going to enjoy it. Okay? And I believe I've come to the end of this video, because I don't have much to tell you. I don't have much to tell you. Just to tell you, I just want to tell you that this project, if you are leaving it, then you are making a very big mistake. Okay? And then I'm going to appreciate if you first of all give this video a like. Don't just watch this video and go. Don't watch this video and go like that, because I believe you gain value from this video, and therefore I will I say you are owing our channel right now. And what are you owing our channel? You are owing our channel a like. So don't deprive us of this like. Make sure you click on that like button, so that I'm going to see it. When I see it, I'll be happy and motivated to do more. And YouTube is also going to recommend this video to more people that needs this content. Okay? Just make sure you drop that like. I really, really want to see it, and I love it. And then I'll be doing giveaways whenever any of my videos hits up to 1,000 likes. It has been long. I saw something like that. So immediately you are entering this video, and immediately you hear my voice where I said this, please make sure you give this video a like. And then if you want to be following us, following our updates, so that you are not going to miss out on any way, then you can join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of this video. I mean, this project is a very, very good one. Very, very good one. I've checked everything about it, and I see a very bright and promising future for firecoin. So don't joke with it. No. Don't joke. Don't even joke with it at all. So the total coins that is mined now is up to how much is this? Is this 1 trillion? Up to 1 trillion. They have up to 2 million players right now. In fact, you can just check about it. I won't have to talk much, so that I won't waste your time in this video. And their bot is working very, very perfectly. So you can just leverage on this opportunity and start mining. Keep mining and keep accumulating points for yourself. I won't be upgrading all these things in this video, so that I won't make it so long. But I've already given you the points, and I have hit the nail on the head. You know, I've already tackled the situation right on its horn. So it's now left for you to take advantage and leverage on the opportunity. It's still your humble guy, Consolo Nyekwere, and enjoy your day, and see you in my next video.